My thesis is that when Hiroshima was bombed at 8:15 a.m. Monday, August 6, 1945, the U.S. triumphed in its goal to end World War II. The making of the bomb was called the Manhattan Project, which was led by Robert J. Oppenheimer and took multiple years to finish. However, after it was dropped, other countries learned how to make atomic bombs. Other nuclear weapons were created from it that caused tragedy from the inappropriately used newly made weapon. The secret behind atomic power is actually incredibly easy to understand. The power comes from nuclear fission, or atom splitting. How the scientists split atoms was with radioactivity. How they would split atoms would be by bombarding atoms with radioactive particles. The scientists that were making the bomb used this to make it and end the war. The Manhattan Project started under President Franklin D. Roosevelt, but due to his timely death, the Vice President, Harry S. Truman, became president. But as Vice President, he didn't know anything about the Manhattan Project, so when he took the office, he learned about it all at once. When Truman learned about the atomic bomb, it had just been finished. Thus being finished, he was faced with a decision, how he would drop it. He could wait longer before dropping it, find another way to end the war, rather than just immediately drop the bomb and destroy Hiroshima and its economy. When he finally dropped the bomb, the effects were devastating. Some statistics of it was that when the bomb dropped, 70,000 people immediately died and tens and thousands of more people died later from radiation sickness. A few days later, America dropped Fat Man on Nagasaki, which killed another 30,000, plus radiation sickness. So from Little Boy and Fat Man, a total of 100,000 people died and about 200,000 for radiation sickness. As mentioned in the last section, an effect of the explosion was radiation sickness. Also, there are protests against all nuclear power because in their eyes, anything that powerful shouldn't exist. Around the world, other countries were also learning new things from the atomic bomb. Ballistic missiles, for example, came from the atomic bomb. Also, a military strategy developed that has, and hopefully never, been used called MAD, or Mutually Assured Destruction, which is using nuclear weapons to destroy something until they or their target is destroyed. During the Cold War, nuclear threat was always hanging over it because the USSR had learned how to make atomic bomb.